This is Adrian. He's a very busy father, educator, and filmmaker. So why would he be spending his Saturdays here filming a class he's already taken?
So I'm a baby activist. I'm still learning this. If I can help the organization in a way I already know how to help, while I'm still learning how to help in other ways, I'm more than willing to do it.
The class is called the College of Constructive Hellraising. Students learn the mechanics of how you win grassroots fights with grassroots resources. Adrian took the class last year. Now he's on the board of the college. And it was his idea to add an internship to the program. If you don't like what's happening in your neighborhood, your city, your country, you can change it, and the college can give you the tools to do so.